Ladies and gentlemen, voting for 26 assembly constituencies is currently underway in Jammu and Kashmir. In this high-stakes battle, several top names such as Ravinder Raina and Omar Abdullah are in the poll fray. Republic, with its army of reporters on ground zero, brings you the latest from some of these seats. The latest overall turnout numbers are at over 26% as of 1 p.m.
एक त्यौहार के रूप में पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर में मनाया जा रहा है और जिस तरीके से लोगों का भरोसा आज डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप में आ गया है, मैं मानता हूँ ये बहुत ही अच्छी एक पहल है। और आज जब लोग जाएंगे और वोट करेंगे, मुझे उम्मीद है इस बार डेवलपमेंट को वोट देंगे, ना कि किसी सेंटिमेंट को, क्योंकि लोगों को यहाँ डेवलपमेंट चाहिए। इन सेंटिमेंट की वजह से यहाँ इतने हालात ख़राब हुए और आज जिस तरीके से वोटिंग
All right, so these are the second phase of polling underway in Jammu and Kashmir. I'm being joined by my colleagues Gursimran and Zeenat. All right, I'll go across to Zeenat first. Zeenat, what is the atmosphere like? What is the atmosphere on the ground like where you're reporting from?
See, I'm reporting from Srinagar, and as of now, as the Election Commission's website has also updated that it's 37% till 1 p.m. and the polling is still continuing. It will go up to 6 p.m. in the evening, and the people are coming still to the polling booths to cast their vote and to choose their favorite leader. We've been seeing the atmosphere in the Srinagar is peaceful, and also there has not been any untoward incident on ground. You see the visuals that have been coming are from one of the polling stations here in Srinagar, where the polling at present is taking place. This voting began at around 7 in the morning and proceeded peacefully amid tight security. Official data showed polling picked up pace quickly, with the nearly around 1/4 of the eligible electorate excised their franchisee in the first 4 hours. Voters like men, women, elderly and the youth proudly displayed their inked fingers after excising their franchisee as the polls are still taking place, and the women are even being accompanied by the young boys, though they are not the voters, but they are also getting the feel of democracy on ground. Then simultaneously, apart from the poll staff, you see the security arrangements that have been made by the Jammu and Kashmir administration, the security agencies. We see the people coming from the forces, Jammu and Kashmir police, then SSB, and all other who have been chipped in to give the voter a peaceful atmosphere. This is the 37% of the vote at around 1 p.m. The voting percentage will go up because still you have around 3 hours left, but as of now, no untoward incident was reported as of now from the Kashmir division, though some reports have come in and surfaced from the other parts of the Union territory, from the Jammu region. But here it turned complete peaceful. We have been seeing in this second phase of the polls that Omar Abdullah is trying his luck from the 2 seats, one from Gandarbal, his bastion, and another from the Budgam. Similarly, the Congress chief is also trying the luck from the recently the new constituency, which is called Central Shalating, and then one of the richest candidates from the Jammu and Kashmir, and also his party, which has taken a birth some couple of years back, a new baby in the market, that is Apni Party. His chief is also contesting his fate and also trying his luck from the Chanapura constituency, where he is in direct fight with the political advisor to former Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah. Altaf Mushtaq Guru is contesting. Then as of now, if you see the entire poll process in the Kashmir Valley, it is more that the National Conference bastions, the National Conference pockets are testing the luck. And as we know all that the National Conference is a traditional traditional party, and also it has a vote bank, and how much division the independent candidates or the other parties will create in the bastion of the national conference, that only the time will tell. But as of now, we're picking the reports that in Ganderbal, also in Kangan, where you have the first ST seat is being there, where you see the good percentage of polls, the highest in the Kashmir Valley. And similarly, then you come to the downtown of the Srinagar, the pockets like Eidgah. Earlier it was having the low percentage of polls, but now there also it has picked up. Then the Zadipal constituency, then again the Khaniar, or you talk about the other constituencies that are where the candidates are trying their luck. Then if you see the Char Sharif, which is a part of Badgam, Char Sharif and Chadora, they have a neck and neck competition between the PDP and the National Conference. The edge in those constituencies is towards the National Conference. Will ABDP be able to take the seat in their kitty? That again will be decided once the voting is over by 6 p.m. That is the time. But the Election Commission of India has already said that if the voters are still in the campus, and then the time can be extended. But as of now in the Kashmir Valley, we have not seen any verbal brawl or any report where it suggests that there has been a trouble on the ground. Security forces maintaining the atmosphere on the ground to provide free and fair elections and to provide a secure election. And this is the election where you don't see the boycott or the separatist call on the ground.
Right, Zeenat, thank you for that rather positive update coming in from Srinagar. Please continue to stay with us while I go across to our colleague Gursimran, who is reporting live from Naushera, from where the Jammu and Kashmir BJP president is contesting. Gursimran, what is the situation on ground there?
See, if we speak of the three districts of the Jammu region that are going to polls today, that is the Riyasi, Rajouri and the Poonch, the voting turnout is massive. If we speak of this time, it is 3:30 already, and you will see that there are queues. There are people, 5 to 10 people lined up outside the polling stations. If we speak of the polling percentage in the Rajouri district right now, where we are reporting from, the polling percentage is somewhere close to 59%. If we speak of the Poonch district, the polling percentage is 61.5%, and Riyasi has already surpassed the 63%. It is close to 64%, which shows that the people are coming out in the large numbers, though the numbers are not that high as it was in the Inderwal constituency, where we saw 80% being surpassed. But yes, the numbers are really, really good, though the Kashmir is not voting as per the numbers that the Jammu is achieving. But yes, the numbers in the Kashmir Valley too are high as compared to what the Kashmir has seen in the past 30 years. Here, if we speak of, this is a high-stake battle for the Bharatiya Janata Party, because it is there almost everything is on the stake. It is their state president Ravinder Raina who is contesting from this seat. Ravinder Raina won this seat in 2014 by a margin of 10,000 votes over Surinder Chaudhary. Surinder Chaudhary was then in the People's Democratic Party. He then switched the party, joined the BJP, then left the BJP, joined the National Conference, and this time he's a National Conference candidate. So this time he's also giving a tough fight to Ravinder Raina. What more seems in Jammu and Kashmir, at least for this seat, is it is BJP versus Surinder Chaudhary. It's not the acceptability of the NC is not that much acceptable in this very region, but in this very constituency. But yes, Surinder Chaudhary has hold. That is why he is posing a major threat and a challenge to Ravinder Raina, who somewhere has lost the ground in comparison to what he has done in 2014.
Right, Gursimran. Arawat is also joining us from Dal Lake, from the valley in Kashmir. Arawat, is joining us from Dal Lake, from Srinagar. Arawat, what is the situation there? Have you spoken to the people? Could you speak to them? What is the atmosphere like?
Yeah, absolutely. We are inside the Dal Lake, Srinagar, and you can see here in the visuals, my Vijay is showing you the visuals from inside the Dal Lake, and this is the Kande Mohalla Mir Bahari Bull Dal, and you can see here in the visuals the long queues from the morning are here, and you can see in the visuals, my Vijay Firdos is showing you the visuals from the 360-degree that the long queues are here, and we have seen from the morning. Earlier we have used the Kashmir Valley as the main role for the election boycotts, but the trend have been changed in the Kashmir Valley. Now the people, including the women and the youngsters, are taking part in the voting process. Earlier, these youngsters were used to be the main part of the violence, but now they have changed their shift and now they want to development for the Kashmir Valley. And you can see here the women's long queue at inside the Dal Lake. Also, if we'll talk about this very location, as we have seen, the foreign delegation will arrive at this location via water routes, and we have also seen that all the arrangements are in place from the yesterday night. We have seen that all the security arrangements are on place, as we have seen from the yesterday night, that including the Jammu and Kashmir police and other civil administration are on ground to monitor all the situation. If we'll talk about these kind of polling stations, which are the unique inside Dal Lake, and we can see here there are two internet facility and electricity, including the special arrangement for the specially able persons are here. And this is the female voters room, where you can see here, which was the women standing here to cast their vote from the morning. We have seen in the first phase that the good voter turnout have come, and now today the second phase of polling is underway in the parts of the Jammu and Kashmir. So far, voting is going peacefully in all the 6 districts, especially in the Kashmir Valley, and we have not seen any law and order situation in the Kashmir region. Yes.
Right, thanks Arawat, Zeenat and Gursimran for those updates. We will keep following up with you. Moving on to another story from the national capital, with voting underway for Jammu and Kashmir, the second phase in Jammu and Kashmir. We bring you this exclusive report from the ECI office control room in the national capital, where officials are monitoring the poll situation in the valley. Take a look at this report filed by my colleague Harsha.
The second phase of polling is underway in Jammu Kashmir, as the 26 constituencies in 6 districts are polling today for the second phase. In the first phase, the recorded polling was 61.13%, but right now we are in the control room of Election Commission of India. These are all the officials which are monitoring how the situation at polling booths is right now all across Jammu and Kashmir, where the polling is taking place today in 26 constituencies in 6 districts, 3 in Jammu and 3 in Kashmir. Right now, I'll ask my camera person Hitesh to also show you the live monitoring, how the live monitoring is taking place here. Each and every booth is being monitored here, that how the polling is taking place, and also this is the first time assembly poll is happening in the restive region after the scrapping of the statehood and the special status in Jammu and Kashmir.
Women stripped in full public